बाबा कहते हैं कि पाँव छूने की दरकार नहीं है, इसलिए बच्चे भी किसी को पाँव छूने नहीं दे सकते जो एडवांस में या ज्ञान में चलने वाले हैं। लेकिन यदि कोई व्यक्ति जो हमसे उम्र में कम है और कई बार मना करने के बावजूद भी हमारे पाँव छूता है, तो क्या इसे श्रीमत का उल्लंघन कहेंगे?
वो अज्ञानी है, ज्ञानी है?
तो अज्ञानी।
अज्ञानियों को ज्ञान दे करके खुश करो, या तो
वो समझते नहीं है ना बाबा।
तो फिर उसमें हमारी गलती क्या है? हम तो पीछे हटते हैं या नहीं हटते हैं?
तो हटते हैं।
बस अब तो उनका काम है कि ये पीछे क्यों हटते हैं। संसार की परंपरा तो यही है कि छोटे बड़ों के पांव छुए, आप पीछे क्यों हट गए? वो पूछे तो हम जवाब दें। देह की पूजा करने की बात ही नहीं है।
हम तो उनको बताते हैं कि हम तो अपने बाबा के भी पाँव नहीं छूते, न नमस्कार करते हैं, फिर हम तो लायक ही नहीं है कि भी आप हमारे पाँव छुए हैं, लेकिन समझते ही नहीं है।
Brother asked about that it comes in movies that you don't need to touch Baba's feet, and neither you should get your feet touched by anyone. So those who do not imbibe by this, or even forcibly have to get their feet touched upon by others, so is it a violation of Srimad? Baba says there are only two ways for this, because the ones who are touching your feet, they are not having the knowledge, they are ajnanis, that is, they are ignorant people. So you should give them godly knowledge so that they understand why is there not a need to touch your feet. The other thing that you can do is move away, but they will not listen if you move away, so it is not your fault. When you get away, then the question which should come in their mind, in the ignorant people's mind, that why are you moving away? Because this is the tradition in the world that the youngers have to touch the feet of elders. When they ask this question, then why do you get away? Then instantly you should give them godly knowledge.
प्रश्न पूछने वाले को पूछना नहीं आया, पूछना था कि ये शूटिंग कहाँ होती है पाँव छूने की। भक्ति मार्ग में जो पाँव छूते हैं उसकी शूटिंग कहाँ से होती है? ये बुद्ध रूपी पाँव की बात है कि जो छोटे हैं, बच्चा बुद्धि हैं, वो बड़ों के बुद्ध रूपी पाँव का स्पर्श करें, वहां तक पहुंचे, वो है पाँव छूना। ये पाँव छूने की तो बात ही नहीं है।
अपने पुरुषार्थ को उनके
इतना ऊंचा उठाएं कि वहां तक स्पर्श कर सके।
उन्होंने स्थूल में ले लिया उसको।
Baba said the one who has asked this question has not asked it correctly. The question should have been that when is it a shooting off? That touching others' feet is a shooting of what? Baba says that it is a shooting of this Sangam Yuga itself. That is, the foot is the foot-like intellect. That is Buddhi Rupi Palm. So the youngers should touch the intellect of elders, those who are high in their Purusharth. So the youngers should also raise the level of their Purusharth and make it equal to the elders. So it is about
youngers means those who are making less efforts should try to take their efforts to the level of the seniors, means who are making more efforts. So it is like touching their intellect like feet. So they have taken it in physical form in the path of bhakti. There they teach from the childhood that a child should touch the feet of the elders. But it is about taking our efforts to the level of the higher effort makers.
In advance only you go deep in this.
Yeah.
Viveki of the superficial, surface value.
Here only we are getting such clarifications.
Same word but different meanings.
It is not Murli, but
No, in the Murli is too, even the same sentence, when they read it in advance, they give a different meaning.
Young head means lesser in knowledge, lesser in Purusharth. Elder means greater in Purusharth, greater in knowledge.